What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about slim profile half-inch Bahco ratchet. The part number of this ratchet is 8150SL. This ratchet is Bahco's newer design. First impression of this ratchet is quite good. This ratchet is made in Spain. Shiny chrome plating looks nice. Bahco logo and the part number is stamped on the shaft. The shaft is flat style. It's a comfort grip ratchet, two component design. Black part is softer material and the orange part is harder material. Orange part got nice Bahco logo. Handle has hanger hold too. I tell you guys, handle grips really nice in hands. Ratchet does not feel very heavy though. Ratchet has pear head shape and its very small profile. Selector switch is made of alloy metal. It's not recessed, but changing direction is pretty smooth and easy due to the fact switch is protruding downwards. I'm a big fan of quick release function. It's got nice and smooth quick release function. Quick release function is very handy on oily and greasy hands. Gear teeth are 72, which is pretty basic, but it is smooth and firm. Overall nice and solid ratchet. Let's try some socket. Socket seated nicely and smoothly. It's got some wobble, but it is pretty normal. Smooth teeth gears. Does not seem to have much of back drag. Quick release works flawlessly. Now let's bring some other half-inch ratchets for the quick comparison. I got here snap-on style Bahco ratchet. I've got Stahlwille, Extendable Facom ratchet. I've got another Stahlwille round head ratchet. I've got Stahlwille with comfort grip. I've got quick release Hazet hyper ratchet. And I've got long Gedore Ratchet. I don't have snap-on half-inch ratchet with me at this moment, but consider this Bahco ratchet as a snap-on since it's got same 80 teeth internals. But these both Bahco ratchets are made in Spain. Both ratchet has same handle and shaft. Both ratchet head has significant difference. Pear head ratchet has smoother selector switch and has quick release function. 80 teeth versus 72 teeth. Both are smooth, but 80 teeth is quieter, just like snap-on ratchet. Pear head ratchet is lighter. Let's take this Facom ratchet. I don't have standard ratchet from Facom, so I bring this ratchet for the quick look. Facom ratchet handle is round and bit bulkier, but it fits good in hands. Both have shiny chrome finish. Facom selector switch is bigger but well recessed. I like Facom selector switch better. Both has nice and light quick release button. Now look at the head size difference. Facom claimed this ratchet as small and slim profile head, but Bahco beats it significantly. Bahco ratchet is very small both in thickness head and overall head size. Bahco ratchet quick release button is also recessed better. Both have 72 teeth. Seems like both are equally smooth. Now here we got Gedore long ratchet. This Gedore ratchet head has way bigger head. In fact, this Gedore ratchet head is biggest of all. I don't have standard length ratchet, so I bring this ratchet for the comparison. This Gedore ratchet has breaker bar function when the switch is on the 90-degree angle. Gedore Ratchet has smoother quick release function. It's got 60 teeth but smoother than the Bahco one. Gedore Ratchet is a beast overall. Here we got Stahlwille Ratchet. Again, the ratchet head of the Bahco is smaller. Look how Bahco Ratchet is small. But can't beat the quality of Stahlwille. Stahlwille got smoother selector switch and it is recessed. Stahlwille has better quick release button. Stahlwille is also heavier and solid. Stahlwille has 80 teeth and smoother than the Bahco. Here is another Stahlwille ratchet. Both have flat style shaft. Stahlwille has round head and has a dial style direction switch. Stahlwille has matte chrome finish and head is quite thicker. This Stahlwille ratchet has 60 teeth versus 72 teeth. Guys, this is just a general comparison how this Bahco ratchet stands out in terms of looks and feature. These German made ratchets are solid and robust. This Bahco ratchet has no match to the German made quality overall. Now, the last ratchet is Hazet Hyper Series ratchet. Hazet handle is small and the ratchet is heavier. Matte chrome versus shiny chrome. Hazet ratchet has round shaft. Again, Bahco has slim and small head size. Hazet has bigger switch but recessed. Both are made of alloy metal. Quick release button on Bahco is lighter, but Hazet one is solid and robust. Hazet has 90 teeth, but both are smooth. This Hazet ratchet is a beast, I would say. There is no match with the quality and the robustness of Hazet. In fact, I like the Bahco ratchet, but when we talk about robustness and the sheer quality, then there is no match with the Hazet, Stahlwille, Gedore or even Facom for that matter. I consider this ratchet in a mid-range quality. Bahco tools are good quality enough to work both as a weekend warrior and professionally for the reasonable price range. They serve good enough. Okay guys, that's it with the video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Consider to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.